Pants, my Charlie Brown shirt, my New Balance that has been worn out. It has holes already. Look. Eh, di ba yung ube matcha nga? Na-try ko na yun.
Sorry na ako lumabas ng walang makeup.
Wee! Parang ang sarap niya. Ay, nakwento ko na sa'yo si Diwata, di ba?
Ito pa nga yung picture.
Oo naman, syempre. So, hindi mo pa natatry yung pare sa Pilipinas na nasa tabing kalsada?
Ngayon ko lang yun nalaman. Nandito na ako sa Australia.
Pinakataon ako na-try na pare.
So, ano? Iwan ko dito yung pangkailangan ko. Yes! 20 out of 20 visions!
Kala ko na, paano ka na? Congratulations!
Thank you, Lord! Maganda ba makeup na?
Ha? Okay naman. Parang papalitan na natin si Yuki sa stage.
Tayo na yung magkakonsert.
Ang tanong, may energy ka pa ba?
Of course.
Ay, maganda naman siya. Kalan mo ulit. May namiss man ako mamaya na.
As possible.
I'm sorry. Can you feel it? We have to.
That you hate but still drink anyway, because the coffee's really good in Australia, right? Would it be easier if I just didn't ask?
Exactly. Hope New York holds you with your full chest.
If God really listens, like your mom says he does, I'm gonna lie there.
And it goes, says you see where it goes. I'll make ya. Let's go with everyone.
I don't care about what you want as long as
we keep talking.
hey, are you still there? Oh, why can't we all say what we want, say what we feel? Take a chance, baby. Don't settle for a bad girl.
pinakamagastos kong kakilala sa mall. Isang kainan lagi $60 ang pucha. Sana masarap. Excited.
Ayan na.
Sige. May kasama kang Dani.
Dancer kasi ako nung high school. Dancer pala. Nag-stop ako. Nahiya na ako.
Dancer ko lang. Mas madami yung sinasalihan sayaw-sayaw nung elementary kaysa nung high school.
Makapalimukha ako ng elementary.
Ako din. Majorette ako, dance troupe ako. Lahat sinalihan ko.
May tulaan pa.
Evacuate kami habang nag-e-exam ako. Ewan. Parang ang hirap niya. Arrogante yung almusal natin. Kaya ay cereal. Yung playlist nila ba? Ano siyang apple pie?
Ng McDo. Ako yun.
Hindi ka nababalik ng Melbourne?
Pwede na siyang kumpal.
Missing someone